How do you keep track of all your debt and interest rates? Excel. I do it through our debt reduction software. So I have a software that's kind of like, it's a GPS to get out of debt. And I put all of my debt, I sync all of my bank accounts with it. And every time I make a payment, it's through the software. And so it keeps track of it and it tells me what debt to pay, how much to pay, and when to pay. And it's a GPS on how to get me from point A to point B in the fastest amount of time. Versus a spreadsheet is more like an old map where you're looking at the map and you're like, I'm going to go from here to here. The problem is if you do a U-turn somewhere in the middle, you got to figure out how you're going to get there. Where the GPS, the software, if you buy a car or you get a raise or you spend some money that you didn't expect, the software recalculates, like your GPS does, recalculating, and then it gives you a new plan. So I use a software. If you guys are interested in the software, let me know. It's about $3,500 for the software. 100% money back guarantee to save you at least $3,500 your first year of using it. And it's guaranteed to get you completely out of debt, including your mortgage, without getting a raise, without changing your lifestyle in 10 years or less. Guaranteed. Otherwise, they give you back the $3,500. Company's been around since 2002 or so. This program that they use has been around since the 80s. And this is how generally houses are financed in Australia. It's called the Australian method. And what we've done is taken our understanding of credit and debt and taxes and merged it all together. So it gets you out of debt faster. Now, if you don't have $3,500 or an extra $99 a month, because we finance it with no interest for 3 years, if you don't have the extra $99, you don't have a lot of debt, you can do it on a spreadsheet. Like I said earlier, just keep track of who you owe, how much you owe, the interest rate, and the payments, and how many years. So it's 5 boxes on that. And then sort it by the number, the lowest debt, and that's where you throw all your money.